Liam was my chance to walk with blocky it or the Seansálaithe is Mr. Hugh Mac Giolla Chearra a rash la Eagrán a jay. Yes, I got your new top 10 episodes from the Seansálaithe in this. Mas Mhaoir Capam Hain go bain kin John kin is fair because you know so goni kin is fair. The man shot la mohoj Polyaki much courage mohoj I don't know which the thing a gentleman pod criú shot la achan the sharting. The man shot la James of Flatharta James to Flatharta.
Come on now. Yeah, see you log on Nollaig. What's there to complain about this? That's a festive feeling, huh?
I know. I wish Garo Naganzi Nollaig go in shop, but sure look. Better chatting shipping. Who knows? Better. What touch of my agus fast at the man shot la Áine where Áine Jimmer Tatu.
Tá anhaith tá ar winna wice fast me mas scrúdú timana in so
way
they spin on her.
So I wrote it to Ra Áine is gonna be an Seansálaithe roadshow ag tarlú inis again couple of shocking.
Yeah, Ginger Armiger and Rody at Eagrán in the and Polo Biog Oganya Diglin Spinal Harthon.
Yeah, the Weirmobile.
Ní saltil Sundays with on his muach, Na Seansálaithe Sundays. Who's actually saltil?
Techno blasting. Yeah. Can I any much in CAD podcast be I'd say you're carting a new Supermax in Air Square. I think we should an Ash Furfa la do secure lash.
You can read things bit of bugging in his class, you know,
Look at novel Supermax in Air Square classy. You tell me right now.
Supermax Helford Road, he's classy.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Broad Arfusion. But yeah. Vision class though, oh my god, yeah. And Russia Vision the head test and you na an roarte lock with these mono away.
No Kate or them and do lock so listen. You're my so less. The Jerry Lum and screw do I'll tree van the gailge. The tridge or for a couple of me lesson screw this and I'll or Jerry here hall for me they're lum not quite in data ní slúthe dan an hinning gailge síl si grisin an cúscro me gear or who and screw do all gaelic ní sin éh me dúir úsad winter and tervis so for Mary Jerry.
Sin fa capan ana go déanana tú aon rud an gaelic agus sean go sin fear le haid better like I cansta like faoi cain na like a cur or revenue bhí le an agus dúirt tasilne aine gur bhí airne like ar go rudí cainneahrú agus dúirt ainelinn ó bhí cheartid chucéis arthú le haid Lord Long Gaelic tí seoir tú níos luiche agus ring muid le air an le cearna sa den bhí delay on because obviously you're at like thing away na virtue cover
Bhí an ceart gom gan rud a bhí ar olive mar chu me léig couple of hours we must see an phone free but I was like damn that's a ruin show a gas
yeah ring sin hanna agus is dinne as doen all vi an a phone agus vi an canons is tough doen all ik should bli noch an vi in the river shot like agus gee nu ra clue am can vi er all
Bhí na gcónaí duine ó gúnaáil ar lína.
Just bhí ver fón me le goile ní clúam go dúú sin, but just me ggéir I áú go dtí náte. ná sin cos níos an go.
Bhí sé mar an ggéine
seo níos pre friendships le Áine agus Hugh. Seo the river even my lord said let us all lead it so it's you know
Bheith go brandis.
Oh yeah, sure. Nana comments a charm.
Oh, bhí sé mar ggéine sa scrúdú né an fear chur scrúdú arm bhí an sort folíocht de le New Hampshire ige chuidir na éagsile an car. Si ní clúd a leid agam sa dé gailge tá ar chuid den stuff sin agus ní gná gailgetá a stuff ón ochláirtá agus fear mír ar coplóir go sé minút sin a dúir tro hastalm.
Yeah, well that didn't as Connemara of Chin what that does in Tesla. Oh yeah, was gonna drive on in the shul, yeah.
Tayoler, ní me gurí na fucking New Hampshire an our kilo real.
Bear grimmer a wheeling sin le the hall. Is there how much you go roundabout?
Cast left to chin. Cast left, yeah, left, and yeah, left, yeah. Look on the wheel spin it in.
The cyfnig am dinge tuairte má mar gur dús thing in focail rothair, like le haid bicycle whatever. Bhís jar na hain mo bicycle. Jarnt mo bicycle na, the bicycle na could be
100% agus da bhcht tú go I roiíocht ar tú. Tá go cycle sí póharnis. Cycle mar sí ag siúpa. Yeah.
For mission blood when cockle ra for your hood.
yeah.
Yeah, there's cockle. I was like, hood. Could you blame share? Hood.
Hood.
Be cockle sin rud a bhí Molly Malone síl nach bro. Cockle agus muscle.
Cockle agus muscle.
Molly Malone.
Hoodies agus weights.
Molly Malone on the protein. Gains.
No wonder what statues them not do.
No wonder, yeah, absolutely. Because she massive, fast, she huge. So can't you think la bruntasy all war because it's a good bay gifts iad na gains of Molly Malone. Snittle hint in it. Tá muid tras na Nollaig and much mean and all ganis. Cash no and we'll advent calendar of.
Yeah, cean agam sa fáin Moam cean dú achan bliain ó bhí meidir an trín ó cethir cean dúsa cean do marheathir cean do miad cean gánta bougie am líana Belgian milk chocolate. Well, ó Aldi, specially selected, so yeah, for mo chara a chonim like cean kinder do cumai, so big leor chocolate agam an Nollaig seo.
Beidh diabetic faoi Mhaoir in a rud tú red shot. And what can I get to James?
No. Ní actually not. I think it can't want to do format.
Really?
You see, ní dinne well tá má cinná fáideach, but then níl achan it's weird. Feiceimid and then is gone cans and like, geez, I think that's back nach can. Then yeah, can take on the Amberíomh, I think Roma had the carried Davis on their teams from Mhaoir to Roma agus I say get him on 24 in one sitting. So does my yeah, Nima got in every category already. Unless can get my law Nollaig and then just look at it.
Sinna five monify into it or in cat now riven cat lad on Nollaig thing to do like okay my catch up because my Gary call you ma or the daddy whatever, so I think like the bien wine I guess can mo watcher can do like or like in shave jig I mean the Nollaig and I was just like whatever then my whole chin in the ash and I was like why shouldn't do him.
Oh well can no go mléine.
So Faim can ahamlian Faim can Chimstra get Marks and Sparks. I treat myself Chimstra. I guess Faim can Simpsons. Ahamlian.
It a villainy it all stuck Marks and Spencer.
Well, Shaw and Urwan to the other Chimstra and Marks and Spencer's like like I like Nietzsche Badger like no Tomas Sawala, I guess my Gary and the cookies. That's good and the M&S cookies to like
Fado Marks and Spencer talk you.
Yeah. Look, no, that role like should this the Sacope, not the T-Maki, not Kaviash version, then definitely owned Advent Calendar and the Simpsons Iron Drawer came out shock of Marks and Spencer's. It's kind of a bit more Emma Vuji bitch, I believe, is in Gaelic card. That row, I mean, body the full is the Advent calendars like that, it's like Rudbug that like Assel, na Rudbug that like Cleary now, but like Kane can like the Kin that's like what would be like your item, like Kin Rudabel gets a like more symbol that's it.
Well, in Canada's far na and Canada ein to Nollaig mar go mín any smó na Canada be hella.
Oh yeah.
Being cran more Nollaig no being daddy na Nollaig sin so sin and Cian is fair lumsa.
Yeah. I think they're own mission like they're hard to like Hugh Car advent calendar like hella. Like which are like budget football special. Beidh, better Lego brick book, Beidh, PlayStation controller, like gentleman chocolate, and then better like in ledger, and that's just like rud more than or like just like a circular like architecture cost with the Moss South Park, like just rud more.
Was actually come on,
yeah.
Comparison to
yeah, I guess Brad lost it.
Yeah. Tá mis gon rud chun spóide rab a cean ceanna me gom sa na cean genta de aine ná cean le cáis agsúlan. Na tú id seo Tá advent calendars cáis an bhain tú achan cé a cáis an sli sin beag trítan bug de cáis achan lá. Well, is ihim se cáis ar bhí, so spalm blue cheese agus camembert agus brie na cin like láidir sin so bhrálum sa sin. No, an cin cean eile go a dana clom na ag le cean na gin so tá buidir beag gin agsúil in achan lá.
Okay.
Yeah, ag le éon tú leis an cean sin, James.
Yeah, donna daoine nachró burger and fish on to James like we just in rare like it's massive. Bhí fua in a criú like.
Yeah, but an Eagrán calendar capi bheith ag sinna rud de ichen tú nes cuppa téad ag de na hiche hís lá ébre.
Yeah. Cracker agus get the kosher bar.
Yeah, ní na cracker is an Eagrán calendar. So could crack it calendar.
But yeah, Eagrán calendar.
More than piece of cod, so. They go to bit tiny. Don't the chocolates we sound tiny. There's got a piece of caution. Oh yeah, come on. Get your head out of there. Come on.
Notions. Absolute notions.
Just the raw tan the kinshin harter €10 the king.
What?
Tattoo. Oh yeah, tattoo. Kaiti ve the bougie bitch part there too.
Yeah.
Lesh na kinshin la ikastu.
I think I think I'm like completely random. I think come off chocolate Shahan. I guess all the Shahan. Just combined. So law one with chocolates on the can on football, can let a rugby ball, can let a tag means a tag shorts, can let an AFL ball. Then next you know what favorite Zochne. So what like taster bill Corona on, what Guinness on, what Pepsi Max on.
Oh, it's the like really shots book Canada.
Yeah. And then like
snacks. Make up snacking it. Snacks, a few condoms.
Kinder egg bug on. Yeah. And then egg zedde, just loads get the bug of chocolate brished down because representative Mhaoir.
Bhí mission chun a rest a cin dearna béilte voucher le haid sausage roll is the Sadeli in it's a níos an Indravan kink in the nerval higus spidil that's the filling station sin.
Toss on me.
Sinead just think I've dogs sausage roll bagal le Dale Alice hangover in the I like then all hatching rich and gas and we'll like ain like scanan na Nollaig like gur fairlaat like us can hear like I mean shula hamdian like and we'll kin away and genetic kinchla urker a han lian.
Tá sé dólaí cean na fiocu ach tá ispralum na kinshin na Tim Allen the Santa Claus.
Oh yeah.
Tree kinshin Arkham and tree kinshin a han lian mar is go dul like Eccles. Well, she didn't go and count and Kate can she in a winter.
I think just about. I think going with just raw le echo Santa Claus cinema. Tá Marisa is the in It's a Wonderful Life like his bra lemon scanation. Go Harry like line and all because just been RTA like ahan line and all like a shaft like a shaft of margin faster but Irium sa and it's ní harm alarm or show it's like instinctive like go wasp William Suez like a shaft of margin or It's a Wonderful Life my gaff for the Spanish like in Nollaig but ní ein amela and like ní Arkham ein not few ní ein la just a one line in the Nollaig Arkham It's a Wonderful Life Tá chríostíon se chlás.
Le cúpla bliana nús an ceanna hín aingin na The Greatest Showman.
Really? Mar scanan an Nollaig?
Ní sé Christmasí, well, tá an sneacht an se dís, but like, it's a bar go bin just hospital brand like blianta revision it was because Tim Allen agus Home Alone obviously fos níos a rád offer unfortunately we Love Actually galore
san an ítach.
hoch moet is ta so literally 3 van to mochán as chofair so Mrs. Dad my rád offer is mom so ik point once a lot being Love Actually and then he points out that being Die Hard so
yes Bhí sin chun bhí me cead ceile was an é scan an Nollaig é Die Hard 100%.
Ní lis a gom níach na riú.
So well nar hanig se mar dús hanig se má I miúil so bhí se learn saoú gur hanig se má but tá se ag kosher na Nollaig go bhfuil se settled in Swissic agus like gléisan se dinní Swiss mar Santa agus anrut. I have a machine gun ho ho ho.
Yeah.
The
Christmas themes on, so that means it's Christmas movie.
Very, very Christmassy.
Yeah.
Oh, well thought, like he saves the day.
Yeah.
Not like he's about saving the day, Scotty. You know.
He's very go mai.
Don't actually chonig me on Saturday show. The what should believe the Office Christmas party.
The Office Christmas party, like in television.
No, it's on Netflix. August it's star on TJ Miller agus Jason Bateman agus Jennifer Aniston.
Oh gas, okay.
Tá like there's just got to do the sheets on firm show like and then just conjured office Christmas party massive snots. It's just basically because of Project X group like absolutely mental. It's a whole funny like literally my hands my housemate raid we was a rochty gaudy whole road. We hilarious. I think but they just get a little bit of the Christmas mood, but that's a low focus, I think.
I was scanning a beam to Gurker, I was like knee scanning all gay just should they had a handle in Nollaig like Star Wars, just when should scan Star Wars a handle in Nollaig. No
Harry Potter.
Yeah, Harry Potter foster being
been tried going near RTE. Nollaig as ma tantála bín legan an ghilge TG ceair.
Was you Gary hot exclusive le rud go bheith ar siúil thar Nollaig.
Tá Hugh Carr got a bheith mar Harry Potter at Organ.
I wish Kermit is Chearra like near ring should they together Kermit is Chearra but we should like ceair blian each so obviously my raw but Kermit is Chearra or le more Harry Potter never my was raging the were my it was absolutely raging
Harry echo like go didn't it take care of Lena Deach.
Yeah I was going doing an all version
rejected me like Lanu basically very more thing at a
so kid a hot exclusive
my hot exclusive no har and Nollaig by Misha it's a lagan Gaelic don Lorax a ve Span teacher car are the Nollaig more things were a couple of things cool agus couple of things random but yeah so big Gurkamanish la high scan and Nollaig or TG car yeah Tá canela there running snowed yeah not even
Ted or James don't mind him
no be so gomornis le DV geisha the mat le much dulcet tones lair na slua in Solorax
in leis film go ébe chluan tú go Hugh Carr go
Caiith shot a lacu sal even few ní fiú went job just lock a shot on one so yeah chance go dini Gurker Har Nollaig so we'll have to check it out but yeah been going he's got like Harry Potter agus Indiana Jones fast been just mentioned Har Nollaig Back to the Future come on Catholic Back to the Future I mean if Gurker Lord of the Rings Har Nollaig
Bhín a gcónaí tána boscí extended edition ag maiad mar sin bhín muid gar uaireanta agus uaireanta ní is mailam Lord of the Rings a ní me có tóca leis tá Mhaoir ní bhín ráir buí goach archar arta cividir chuigúir de Lord of the Rings a Nollaig leisin. Barlam sa Harry Potter.
Mis go cinn cospóideach rá agus níach me Lord of the Rings riamh.
James! No, James!
Ceart sin archar an Nollaig seo. Tá si don wai.
Oh, special.
Tá go rucinn rá níach am charta gána trí Harry Potter riamh.
Níach mission cin ní dearna like Hannig man and Kedle Hannig man Deathly Hallows Part 1 next year but Deathly Hallows Part 2 because
ní glum vínu díh cé bhéid de Potterhead a bhí anm sa bhanscoil like massive. Ná masslí mé tá fós tóca leis ní me có crackáilte is bhíoh me faoi so tá sin an
Potterhead go pothead.
Chin any go Amsterdam because she like cold platform in 9 3/4 okay natural.
Oh Harry Potter you go more a coffee shop Joe.
Potter by name, Potter by nature. No ní chuh me Harry Potter really imagine heard had my like couple of the scanning but I was just like yeah.
Beidh sin Nollaig seo. Archar Lord of the Rings is Archar Harry Potter.
Definitely Archar Lord of the Rings. The Lord of the Rings special to be like Ian shot couple of Vihan V my Chapahara agus V much fun Dolama and the Asian like the Bruce Whistle or good courage like pub in literature canon agus V Chila these chags used to Archar and Ked Lord of the Rings and we were like oh it's a couple of women chugging solar chain which Gajin like pub like would get the book the Lord of the Rings and sin ra much again and pub Harvach much and scanning on one because we just couldn't leave like had Chearra like see I was with the Bahamut and then Tasha and Ked Rarkella about to like oh no wait hold on a second that's Brad a piece of shot no hold on Kevin Jerker piece of shot so yeah no the Lord of the Rings specialty so Jenna James or else Beidh ceartí ar fartí mar rejected in the axe yeah but the shanty bheith yeah seanslaithe effect. Oh my god
Bhín cé Eagrán a mí anar bunithe go Homeland ar na Scotland Lord of the Rings so tá just acu dhéanú
yeah 10-hour version done podcast. And we'll like Áine the Nollaig away like Beidh shit like we'll kind of win like it's like special to do shit no I mean to get that on
Yeah it's mom's in Connection I pictured this to be honest.
Really?
Yeah really it's mom's in Connection now so can I like not expected like but yeah Connection definitely then could be that random obviously Mariah Carey all over from Christmas like Pop.
I given yeah ein am is pop
yeah it's mom can't picture this so much like you're relaxed like it was it's kind of
just yeah
oh yeah it's like there's gay funny bands like me he she's like scream just do just scream over on like and then next thing you know they do oh shite scream over on the Nollaig. It isn't even funny like I can't in a room X Factor couple of on Matt Terry I can't my version can I decent can I depressing like but still
Matt Terry
Matt Terry
no Matt Terry
can't the blame to like nach rein the brand on X Factor but
oh right
yeah full my radio actually I think when Christmas comes around sometime
oh yes that's like an orange
yeah
Sin Chearra Cosla an orange sin it's like calling the cavalry that's again but at Fagger or like your Rowan lad to Gary or an Nollaig criú it's just that he happens to because it's like surgery like Saked or whatever but it's just that Harsh and Lena wish I could be home for Christmas on and grow like bells on like punch chart. So just half my handling, you just half like a record label go on the Nollaig of you. So these Harsh the Maha gam the Nollaig, and then it was like Christmas like #1 or whatever, and the other Hanning Shama. And he was like, oh fuck, right, oh yeah, I suppose yeah, I guess give a shot on the Nollaig Kane or the Nollaig's for that's it.
Was spralum san chance definitely fastness is Rat Pack of Earshul Knack and Goal the Christmas song again is far lumshilum Ain Frank Sinatra no Dean Martin no Bing Crosby come as be me lawn sauce the White Christmas yeah so much set so spralum an orange and
well this kind of thing that thaws out Michael Bublé a Hamlian agus mi geisha le
Tá an album ogun agus cosmod na shrisha ach sí ní tá sé go mai ach ní sé có mai leis an sean stuff ní higlat an sean stuff a haru ach tá sé mai glúr
apparently tá Ed Sheeran agus Elton John it's afmach le or an organ mena
honey mission be sin simul
like
an Nora basically Afterglow is basically or an organ
but there's
Elton Graham Nina
it's Elton John and Miana was ridiculously an album album Metallica like ring should cover album the high black album we like Trahably on the like Carly on the whatever I guess we bring Elton John lagging the like Enter Sandman no the Nothing Else Matters but we share a hand album I'd say
He Dermot Kennedy had a controversial I think like Metallica
ring like Hannigan album I feel like dingy defrill the genu like laggy defrill the arani but the couple of dingy genu lagging the aran kerne so Hannigan album agus vi like 8 lagging the Enter Sandman agus we shall like Elton John Rina Sawayama like Weezer like Phoebe Bridgers like we should like dingy go homeland the focus random but we should just an aran kerne and the lamb like so mental like but yeah we Dermot Kennedy and Foster ni kin or on the Rinsha but fi handling her there at this point I think
could you fu pain Hugh Kane or Nollaig Farla
is bra lumsa agus tá marial Mhaoir and marial Mhaoir go Beidh and can Farla Mhaoir and then there's Mhaoir for Luma then it's like actually Farla driving home for Christmas la Chris Ree agus marial go dad goni or Hugh like a cupper like we shot like in snob and arcade not be like the snubber and then there's a tractor rash behind Nollaig so we've not going like oh yeah she's like an army my dad logs a like tractor rash so I was like oh yeah I think car or whatever so the I'm like yay go on but yeah shin no they can really random on well, can you go for Fountains of Wayne? That's ignoring Stacey's mum because to Aran Aku Darvanium, I want an alien for Christmas. I guess it's just like it's just rock bop or whatever, just whole like ridiculous, like they're absolutely ridiculous. After McCree's deal, to just I just think it's gas. So yeah, go
cover steel so there's days wait picture this. And then to put the for Fountains of Wayne.
that hard rock version, the R and the Nollaig.
But obviously, like on the goat of Christmas songs, not Fairytale of New York. Like
we made Dear Rock. I'm with Lua. It's a special mention.
Like Nervisha Shin Ed August Garten is a pub August she just.
You'd rather be the star.
Fucking absolutely mental like had that Renault again like.
No.
An urchin biocht agus crack on them.
It's an hour and like ultimate like sing along like Kai do their tag chart even if you know Tasha even go a whole mall like whatever you're still like my the Wilton the Bow's unreal though so bhí sin na gcónaí an foioi. But yeah, sinna cin fearr gadáir, like we can talk all we want. Agus heagla igi iarata dhéanú ach ní bheith cin níos fearr an na riche, I don't think.
Ní bheith.
What do you call it? And well, like in tradition, so obviously like being out been to scanning on the hamlian to call the hamlian, but like will rather be yen and shift more child like and yen shift like a hamlian behind Nollaig, or like can they recurrent to Swiss and Cran Nollaig? No, can and which of either tradition, no, which of like postmodern Nollaig, no, can do yen shift.
I think go clean your tongue yet.
Curmuid an Cran nar de hanna héanam léana. Gur degra fanmuid támuid tradition de fanmuid begin caves an céidir seach na mí an Nollaig ach rudí grúm a go leor fi láthir so himuid catína gur muid an áide go glue agus san ansa so gur chur mar go gargur scad an Nollaig inis an sé le ceol Nollaig sa Jack.
Pen mood set in this they're going like Hallusta and Cran to us it's like no that Nollaig and then Griffiths James can have a current was it saying tradition no
tá mu bag ní like an tochtú lá go mí an Nollaig snan lá I déirtar cheart a chuir suas agus sinna bhíoch mu nach I think an Nollaig ní almost bag níos túisce meall go se cinná grúma agus dí mar hen. Tá sé chud a suas an hanna hín sa teach seo in gáile like so ach se go háling níos choir thuas agus na máisiúchans gachrad like bín like been just an tach ban noch gozies go homely like speaking of like Michael Bublé Jenny Tuske bra like da an tradition is for den Nollaig na actually ich Nollaig go moet ook ag an afran mar teilech en den moet ag tach ma onkel as wat moet aan we nu ma haarwinter aan like tach ma haarwinter wie aan as ha me heen nog elkaar je vader ook she's ag tachen I just wat piece behang so me hen all on is ga me hen ich Nollaig agus wat Michael Bublé flat out across its background so tradition is fraud so I think ben kan is am gun the look like I think ben is fraud am all
or they an jazz fi ihan Nollaig komai ornta sin go se ní bunna komai leis an lá hain Jan wonder an céine afran ihan Nollaig sin tá se actually gan do an after le the winter agus de porsannig go
yeah shouldn't Urwang get vacuum through like dingy like all the like the bun skull like that whole fatty good like edges no
J futain Hugh in tradition
into tradition to foster after Marial go will are like grands the in kilda like awkward to chat like there's like Steve Jean almost kind of like Heidi Hole begun like is kind of like all is like they got freezing slashing which the file the crunning out of them up so it's just it's job all where a just element as an actually like a conimuje so I think good are you're at well Jen and Dad you're at gan like mata we are first of all na mata like mum so all of her this is like no fire maha like niche like fire like Lewis is major out of that like I my guys like no hun dollar season etch like salad dusty shaw like le well like a Shan Cran Shaw ach changing gaffern the Nollaig a hambian I take a vision and Tom Wayne get James gaffern
Shelam gur go lahan go glúir Charlie mar géine go mí sin be eile dem
no sin in Urwang agus an sin le hai like le Nollaig it's junior sawal agus is sin much like our good call Chearra agus our good not even Nollaig was like like halge tin cohandia back on the call Chearra hal sin agus follow examination because the kind of wine I think go fall go leor a Santa like so Harva although Captain would like was just a rag credit on Santa so go besha Elton stuff here now like I think a gap nach way shot bruntness like Lewis it has to get that will Santa fear so
clichte
is far grow character is Carta like he's an absolute he's a chancer like so Castlin runs in the family merger but so Ramad Chearra is like been cracking and and then you luan your margin behind the broths like and then Jen which thinger than you Jen which because you like Carol being such much like shocking the mom shocking that can the dad can do so and then so yeah no it's Bralum to front to the seat to my like I know
an bhain bhar dis mar fós frontanis Nollaig even bhain si van treatment fós
fine which like Wimes like guaranteed like gurbe as you know guaranteed gurbe asitainiúil or whatever but then like road like special them you know like from my phone or Leon Fairytale because she's like oh yeah because Hannick Santa Leon you know Hannick daddy and all he's the start school right it's Orca so so in this reach like it's like Leshgal Mata Gary like run all world and thing it's like oh Nelson's kid at your Hannick Shaw asked like I don't know like can fire goal and rud gal to shasti sa chat oh well I guess gur Santa bhí an action yeah it's Brian like the is Brian in Nollaig a chat gan you to go ítach glóte ítach cute what a jerk and I mean I was Santa go follow with the James now I wish I just a child
well ní sé táilech aine ach tá was a mud offer that gas bugan sé ní agus be nis go das me sé blian go le is so be sé cin gas eáil lá Nollaig é richt lena presence like so yeah Jake exciting go like yeah mo ceir bhí cuppa gas really like so ich can Nollaig na mu go das fe an bos vín hartar like said ge go leháile chuúpa sé ná agus chud mar hin tá go das like in fairness ach yeah well is mission post bug táilechtá aine so mission baby so ní mis tá when winter fi lá so no dat in Nollaig tá aine but efn cover just choose gas you know
also why the mar fós couple adjusted
yeah dun sé key go go Terry chocolate oranges agus beer so you know even Brunton's just true yeah you know into my community spoiled news mar on baby the family so you know near many's move
Dafran mo am do mlíana der si ar bhile but no bhfuil spéir could do that icas get bug an archas ar the car Kaime a go groom a kind of a practical right yeah couple punty older done car so sin mo runs in this margin Nollaig
yeah
oh ní de gekas an rud le couple punte I dro
I know yeah but still like cool
tan cuiú older so
yeah
Andreachto
sin a task go goúní sinne go fá break an na gabi mar sin na lí PlayStation it's like oh Sharod like done upper like Sharod like you know done Nollaig's by heart like firm a year for like tripod because like yeah you know like gear like tafadoos out of the end because we should like yeah bit good Sean I was like yeah I guess but you know
yeah
you might feel already Gary like Woody like with Toy Story you know which in good jazz faster but no look agus sin jingar den Nollaig bhfuil mean jingar stog of sin na an yanative for the ní fiall seint ar sib sin no
ní muid
no so gra turk agus ham agus Giolla I mean
Tá cúpla rud éagsúil a gnne méala go ras well níos go man mín an béle get bug éagsúil sa túisgurt is as your own diad so bín cocktail sausages a gnne ar an bata le rodella as gomáile sin bín mushy peas a gin tá gom nach mín sin ag gahan duna
yeah no
yeah sin rud mór dé sin dag it well could an da with the stasher and laugh the union
ag ruúin means aine ich Nollaig bín cocktail sausages agus like prawn cocktails and all that crack but lá Nollaig it's just literally traditional carrot like turkey ham stuffing you know, roast potatoes you know just hundred like you know carrots gachard like you know it's kind of traditional carrot thing anyways
No
Tá dad cos le Jamie Oliver like it's full on níl mesal hart sa kitchen an lá sin bín achan recipe. I mean is cócra iontaithe ach bín se chodáir fin godagan na junior man bín go stúki fan third lá lig bín se blasta go bhí but didn't know like go gonne. J food thank you.
Yeah, to jingle just it's like prawn cocktails for starter, you know, and rud the umlan like turka ham, like genimum like a ham mihain, like lesh the cloves, like ligazahan shinta jas like you know turka all work is you know pretty is roasties is carrots Brussels sprouts, although need my loves of Brussels sprouts really so, but you know the thought was there. Agus cael for like being jinger all war like exgenity like galore la high like quigo so then you much la high like sharting in the end Nollaig is just jinger on the Nollaig like a handle
na Capria
oh my god yeah the ham
agus I mean na milshog tradition dog of she being cherry trifle agin yan mo han ben and yan she trifle
Yeah, watching you trifle. I think watching you like really chocolate like it is I think being cheesecake my yard no Rocha I think it's been good but yeah no being just like tiramisu is like you know the cakes is really much you know and then a couple bread and then chicken the holler or couch
couple after eights Caiitún after it's agad leis an coffee ag an jeú.
Yeah. I mean slur agad shit.
Oh yeah, goni.
Was that bhí mar cuiimar sin? Mín chipse is snámh lá Nollaig.
Snámh lá Nollaig?
Yeah.
You know, he actually yenim muid. I don't think there's some yen Mhaoir heart or McCanthus.
I mean,
I yen to say.
Yeah, it's in the music gach bliana. Yeah, go come on pelle. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Gorm compel. All right. Okay.
Yeah. Well, like is son come pelle, but then was go car nach ginta gablian, so bindini just he's a control. Obviously, Nora we had Zachary in the but like whole of Blaine revision of what's going because she's on just sprint out of shach, jump out of shach, and then sprint out of Macharish, and then we got mulled wine on it, so the American to say, hey, if Zeus has got him, so yeah, I've been checking that, and then going to Wallace been to Steruki anyway, like you know, it's a water so the American so. It's in Zinger Bugnings Blast Edition.
Ní an Nollaig ach le haid an blianúir inis I think ar Gary seo in like hamníis like bring Jane I think was a Gary and a reach bliana gus na reach the reach but like also an argal like le haid blianúir like margin le sunrise acal bring Jane agus bhí se dá craite chojas but bhíaring like most bhíaring like Eagrán like a shachtlog oh no sé hog and then he's the in done shocked
Níl sin róg ri tairí caiitúí go trí sin
yeah but you know
glór a ri na lein sire
yeah I barelum le in the hollow but I guess you know Lahayan tradition agus Lahayan gram fastis and brothers tau actually but yeah no be tag alta so better chance go veki of P3 doing who sin
agus dain si amach a town mór an in Nollaig.
Do you know ní actually came agus like ring ma like couple that we many saw it but inish it's like a blianúir chin mahain agus like the grab dad na chin mum fasta chin take tilio lai an blianúir le Mhaoir brand because that cal and then the ve agus and then Chema draw reach but yeah he actually ring out like a or last a fun like ni are the much and the lamach like really and yeah show
yeah
no
like Queens and Inish Queens Hotel and Inish ahan ihe Stefan as a reach he can blame Caimera now when I'm telling you Salma he can blame a real even a real device in there and she'd go back
Been goni cracker da ogen se but better Marial nach ma goal better commission of nach better Marial go come you go man lad again better na fad gur one you saltas
Ka Jane Tossa James
go amach couple chin hour and all like last Stefan 100% bhí agus as gatan eiceáil nach míon hart ar an blian so mé like so she's tí sé sin scopaach bhain. Na bhecht Josie is like bhád ní seár, cos like ich massive bhí an tí Josie a hé agus cím blianana. Me och gatan an, ví feice daoine óneachtar go scoile as na hián agus as inháin a mar hin nach echt tú rí a pí má like so vi sin má like ach le ráléon nu go just sí ige local tí sé má vín se escoí sú an go mé ach sin bín rudí ri Nollaig le bín cummartas Martin Antonin like cummartas an is na bailse de gar ruúa so bín like you know like Tishman in I bohar bui agus like you know well actually did for again but like in I cool linge agus rudí mar hin so like been 7 side blitz on agus sin Taration gone gatan she's like a pobríis and then been like player of the year nominations on gun blian pelle so it's kind of like ich elle more on at a garou like and then so that's more like garou anyways and that's like about more agus pull nach I can do go hindu so
It's cosu go mean the wahani is so the Nollaig
galore yeah
or son of tradition and the hall or son of
come on like
yeah take them
I know like mate
yeah what can't do laws really let the horns with and then that is nicht is bit like you know what come she's like right
well Sílam go bé sinné le an Nollaig well no image ration in shirtly shooting so bé níos mó stuff an Nollaig talú leis but gur mí mai was up bélinn le an Eagrán seo de Na Seansálaithe bhfuil gahabí agin le ran sulir pluglamid the socials bhil gahabí eile
Seo well faoin am dagan seo amach bé Cromwell James imithe ach currywood picture ours than fás a Harley or ice again on the land that
and before and after le in another at the gentiga
mí mai gacht in má hoog séntus bur mí mágaí agus mar a hoog fogship
oh no well is federling amsú ar Instagram ag Na Seansálaithe ag Twitter an Na Seansálaithe ag muid amsú ar YouTube ag Na Seansálaithe agus idir ar an fís an pagruúla seo na mat sticker chun fís hello agus heaglaat mise a fáil ar Instagram agus ar Twitter ag Hugh Car here heaglaat James L ar Instagram agus Twitter ar Flatharta agus heaglaat Mhaoir L ar Mhaoir Twitter gus Instagram just fosa inta fosla cumní anywhere sílim go bé sinné sílim gohain sult as an deir seachtainge ná Jenny German bhna bhfuil de advent counter canny agad go fáil Jen an is mar má fagin tú ag dín seachtain sugain bé an amarcha chocolate agad le ihe no mat tú fáil King James bé an amarcha Corona agus Guinness agus Zambuca agus achan of the all good so biggie kurma ach bud úsáil an deir seachtainge agus tifmuisih an aon siúgling le Eagrán híineag so stand up folks
fun
oh